Hey guys, it's Rita the brown dog, and I kind of want to change her name. Also, I just woke up, but I'm looking at these really cute names online, and I found one that I like. I really like Reina. I've never used that name before. I've used Rena for my spooky pup, and I've used Regina, and I've used Riley. So, I mean, maybe I should use Reina. Reina's kind of cute. I also found Raylan. Raylan is a cute name too. Should I change her name to Raylan? It's spelled like that. I don't know. Raylan. Or Raina. Raina. This is a hard decision. I changed her outfit to a blue because I just think this brown dog looks cute in blue. What do you think, Kylie? I think I like Raylan. Why do you like Raylan more? Well, because Reina kind of sounds like too much like Rena, and well, that's the spooky pup. True. Okay, you know what? My name's gonna be Raylan from now on. I've made this decision just now. So, here's her name in the Webkinz. We're changing it to Raylan. Raylan. I think that's how you spell it. Raylan. Go make sure. Where is it? There it is. Yep, I spelled it right. Okay. I'm also going to change it in here. Woo! And we're going to change the color to blue. And then I think Kylie's color is green. Where's Oaklina at? Oaklina. Yeah, you are now dark green. Okay. I had to do some editing, but we did it. So, yeah, her name is now Raylan. So, yeah, I just didn't like the name Rita anymore. It reminds me of like an old hag screaming at me. Why do I think of that? I don't know. I just think, Rita! Oh, God. Okay, I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything yet this morning. So, well, I'm not actually starving, but I am kind of hungry. And I'm just going to put my sandals on because the cats were running around last night and getting litter all over the kitchen. So I don't really feel like walking on it while I'm making breakfast. Like, look at how much litter is all over the place from their litter box. I don't want to walk on it. Oh, crap. My boyfriend made a mess on the table. I can't put my brown dogs down. Ugh, please don't attack my Webkinz, Spency. I have to clean the table. Okay, so this is how I clean the table. We have a bread box because it's just a little bit easier for a bread box. And just grab bread out. Like, wow, so amazing. I've never had a bread box before in my life, so that's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. This is difficult to clean this way. Clean the area. I know I don't feel like, moving everything to clean the whole table because I'm only going to clean on part of it. Or I'm only going to eat. I'm only going to make food. You know what I meant. You know what I Don't play stupid with me. Okay. I think that looks a lot better. Okay, so let's get Kylie. I want something good for breakfast. So you know what? I think I'm going to get, well, we have leftover lasagna, but to be honest, I don't really want leftover lasagna. What the heck? That's not even closed all the way. Oh, my boyfriend. I swear to God, my boyfriend didn't put it away correctly. How long has it been like this? I don't want to know. I'll probably check it later. Oh my gosh. How can you not put away the lasagna right? Oh my gosh. Okay. God, my boyfriend is such, I love him, but he is a pain in my butt. And I'm going to yell at him later. But for right now, I'm gonna have bagels for breakfast with cream cheese. Some of you might not think that's a very good breakfast, but I love bagels, so I don't care. Oh my gosh, I need a plate. Here's a plate. This one's way too big, actually. I know what to use. I'll use one of these. We have these like pizza things, and they're stuck together. We got these one time from, well, okay, it was a long story. I don't really feel like explaining it. We just have them. That's all you need to know. We just have them. So we're gonna open this bagel. If it wants to get opened, I'm gonna put it in there. And then I'm gonna put it on here for about that long. Yay. And now we wait. I'll be back in part 2. Right, Evie girl? What happened to my brown dog? She fell. Did you do that? Was it you? Okay, see you in part 2.